goes on. Hello, and welcome back to the Really Bad News Network. I'm Carter, and we also have our weatherman gonna do the weather. Carter, what's the weather? Hello, and welcome back to the Really Bad News Network. As you can see for the weather update, it's raining. It's coming down hard. Skies very cloudy. Otherwise, how would there be rain? Now, back to you. Haha, how about that weather? Now, let's see these clips. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing something a little different. I won't be doing a tutorial on how to do something like I have been. I will be doing a time-lapsed version of me making something. And it'll be Epic Ziggurab. And it'll be something I've never done on my channel before. And it'll be out of felt. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can follow along with what I'm doing if you want to try to make this by yourself. I basically just cut out a square and then stripped the same size as each of the sides. It's running outside, sorry about that. And so if you want to try following along, basically do this over and over 6 times, but making it smaller each time. So now let's get back to the time lapse. Then for the final small one, make squares about the same size as it so that it'll be slightly taller. Then take your glue gun and glue along the edges and attach the strips onto the edge like that and then let it dry. Do this for all of them. Then for your top one, cut a square out of the center of it so that it looks like that. Then cut another piece of felt the same size as the one on the top for your largest one, and then put it on the bottom. That way it's covered that. But make sure to fill it with stuffing first. Then glue and stuff all these layers on top of each other. So like stuff this and then glue around it and then put it on and hold it. Then take your felt and cut it into a piece and then fold it into a tube. Then once you have it glued into a tube, cut off the edge to make it pointier. Make 4 of them. Then take some of your felt and cut it into kind of a triangle shape, and cut out a triangle shape down the middle like that. Make 4 of these, 2 big ones and 2 small ones. Then take your green and cut kind of like a bent straight piece like that, so that it kind of has a bend into it. Make 2 of those. Then cut out 2 little green squares. Then cut out 2 gray squares the same size. Then cut out a light green circle. Then cut out another green circle that's a darker green that's slightly bigger than that. Then cut out the center so you're left with a ring shape. Then cut out a really tiny green circle that'll go inside of both of your other circles. Then glue all the parts of the arm together like this. And of course the little tiny arms. Then glue all the parts of your eye together. Then glue your eye on. Then attach the arms on. They might be a little floppy, but you can add extra supports on to make them thicker if you want. Then make a black strip for the mouth, that way it looks like it's kind of opening its mouth just a tiny bit. Now, glue the tiny arms on. Now add the supports. Then cut out a bunch of strips like this. Then glue all the tiny strips all around to make it look like vines, and you can add little leaves on wherever you want. And now it is done. I hope you liked watching me make my Epic Ziggurab, and if you tried making your own and following along, I hope you enjoyed doing that too. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!